Hey guys, I'm in my West 129, 3563. Quick update video, everything's getting done. And I just really wanted to promote on this one because this is my own personal one. He's gonna have everything done here, but we have 100% of our homes rented, 100%. And you know, we have about 170 homes and they're all generating good income. So, you know, when you're looking at real estate, I buy houses only. And this is a new product we're using to kind of seal there was a little bit of a leak. There's no cracks in the wall, but you can see we fixed them and did that. And it's called Red Guard, but it's a good product that does that. And we're going to be putting a second bathroom, as I mentioned in the other one. But when you're looking at this kind of real estate, you want to really make sure that it's going to rent. So this was going to rent for $1,400. I'm already marketing it. And I should have it rented hopefully before it's done. But if I don't, it'll rent very, very quickly. But you can see how nice this one's starting to look and get taken care of. I want to show you the ceiling upstairs here. This one will be done next week. They're telling me, so I hope it's done next week. But we have to lay some flooring, which he's ordering. And we put the new toilet in, as we always do. But you can see all this is done. It's all very nice, but we're putting that ceiling up here, if you remember. Here, so that's getting put up. He uses this particular thing here. So if you're looking for real estate, you want us no stress real estate, you want some real estate that you can just smoke your cigars and or sip your lattes and collect your checks, call me. I'm Brett, Fathom Realty, 216-703-5740, or WhatsApp me. Please like and subscribe to my channel too. 216-703-5740. No stress type investment. Thanks.